If you're managing your marketing in HubSpot and want to get a clear, actionable view of how your campaigns are actually bringing in new contacts, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through accessing and understanding the new contacts campaign metrics in HubSpot so you can make smarter decisions and really see what's working to grow your audience. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're inside your HubSpot account. You'll want to head straight over to the left-hand panel, and from there navigate to Marketing, then select Campaigns. This left-hand panel is your control center. It's where you can access all your marketing tools, and Campaigns is really the hub for tracking all those broader efforts. Don't worry if it takes a second to find the exact path. Once you've done it a couple times, it'll become second nature. Now, within the Campaigns section, you'll see a list of all the campaigns you've run. Go ahead and click on the name of the campaign you want to analyze. Picking the right campaign here is crucial, since each campaign may be targeting different audiences or goals, and we want to zoom in on the results that matter most to you. Once you're in the campaign overview, look up to the top right corner. You'll see an option that says Analyze. Click that, then select Campaign Analytics. Alternatively, some versions of HubSpot will show you an Other Metrics tab within the campaign overview. That works too. This analytics section is basically the dashboard that unlocks all those deeper insights, and it's where you can really dig into what happened as a result of your campaign. Here's where things get interesting. In the chart that appears, pay attention to the drop-down menu located in the top left. Click on that and select New Contacts. What this does is filter all your results to show specifically how many brand new contacts were brought in by this campaign. It's a super helpful view because it answers that big question. Is this campaign actually bringing in new people? If you don't see big numbers here, it might be a sign that you need to tweak your targeting or messaging. Now, let's make the data even more relevant by customizing the display. Just underneath or nearby, you'll find options to adjust the date range and frequency. So let's say you just launched a campaign last week. You can set the date range to only cover that period. And frequency lets you zoom in or out, so you can view results daily, weekly, or monthly. This part is especially useful if you want to spot trends, like a sudden spike right after an email went out, or steady growth over a quarter. Finally, there's one more powerful adjustment: contact attribution. You'll see options for first touch and last touch. First touch shows you which campaign was responsible for introducing a contact to your company for the very first time, almost like the first handshake. Meanwhile, last touch tells you what finally convinced them to convert, maybe after several interactions. It's like understanding which part of your marketing actually closed the deal. Try toggling between these options. It can reveal if your campaign is better at generating awareness or at sealing the connection. That's it. Now you know how to access and really analyze the new contacts metrics in HubSpot campaigns. Take your time with each of these filters. The more you play with them, the clearer your picture gets. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're tracking your own campaigns, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to chat and help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.